Okay, yesterday we played Guess My Role, right?
Yeah.
And we had a role that was jeans and no jeans. Remember? And 6 people had jeans on, and 10 people
Did not.
did not. Okay. Today we're going to show, so yesterday we brainstormed ideas on how to show data in different ways, okay? So, one way was we did like 2 sides, jeans and no jeans, and we did tally marks, remember that? One way we did the stacking of the Lincoln cubes, like put your pencil away. What was another way we did it? Drew pictures. So today I'm going to show you one way that scientists and mathematicians show their data, and this is called a bar graph, okay? Say bar graph.
Bar graph.
Okay, so every graph has to have a title. What could our title be? What could our title be? Could it be jeans or no jeans?
Yes.
Okay, that's what our title's gonna be. Jeans or no jeans. Okay, this bar I'm gonna do over here is people wearing jeans. And my other category is
No.
no jeans. Okay, this side has numbers. What do you think these numbers represent?
How
far you colored the square?
How far is
How many people were wearing jeans?
Number of people. Connor, you got it. Good job. Number of people. So however far I color it up, that's going to show how many people are wearing jeans or not. So number of people. Okay. So now to make the actual bar, we had jeans. How many people were wearing jeans? 6 people. So where am I going to color my bar up to? The 6. Okay. So I'm going to use one section and I'm going to color up to the 6. And bar lines are connected all the way, so this is going to be my bar. Does that show me that 6 people wore jeans?
Yes.
Okay. Let's switch my color. Now, how many people wore no jeans? 10. So I'm going to make a bar, and it's going to go all the way up to what number? 10. It's going to stop at the 10. Okay. Is this a good representation to show how many people? Can you easily see that 10 people were wearing jeans?
Yep.
No jeans, and 6 people were wearing jeans? Okay, how many more were wearing no jeans than jeans?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, right? Good. So when you chart your data like this, it's very easy to see all the numbers, right? And you can easily compare and say, oh, there's a lot more people, there's 4 more people wearing no jeans than there is wearing jeans. Okay, you also can change that data and turn it on a bar graph like this. This is going to be your number of people down here. And what do you think these are going to be? The categories. What are our categories? Jeans and no jeans. What was my title? Jeans or?
No.
Okay, here we go. Which way do you think this way or this way is our data going to go? This way or this way? This way, because the numbers go this way, okay? Because if we go this way, is there any way to tell how many people? No. So here we go. Jeans, we had how many people? 6. I'm going to find the 6. And I'm going to go across to 6, right? the 10. So that is another way you can show data. Your charts or your data graphs always have a title and categories. You always have one category on one side at least, one on at least one each side. Some of them have more than one category, like that. Okay. That is a bar graph. Now we are going to, what? We're going to move into something else. Okay, so I have a story to tell you. All right. So these two girls, Andrea and Ari, are 8-year-old twins. And they discovered some strange creatures near their home in Wyoming. That's kind of far away from here. These creatures were living in an abandoned prairie dog burrow. So abandoned means there was no one there. And they were living in these abandoned, where none of these prairie dogs lived anymore. They were living in these burrows next to a dirt road that the twins used as a shortcut to get to school. So Amanda and Ari started studying these different creatures. They were really weird. They visited them every chance they had. Because these creatures never came all the way out of their holes in the ground, they only could see their heads. So the creatures looked as if they might have come from another planet. They were really funny looking. And so Ari loved to make up codes and learn about languages, and after a while she finally found that they called themselves Yetis. Okay? Yetis. And they come from a very distant planet, and where they are very peaceful. And Amanda liked to study different kinds of living things, and she decided to report about the Yetis for a science project at school. And so she made a sketch of every head of Yeti that she saw. And she noticed many of them were very similar in one way or another, but no two were the same. So she used the sketches to figure out how she could describe these Yetis to humans, okay? So we're going to look at some. Let me pull them up on the computer. You ready to see these creatures?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Why not?
Already.
All right. These are just her drawings, remember?
Aw.
Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to show you, and we're going to look at them and try to describe each and every one, okay? So, here's the first one. Try to describe it.
It's like a robot.
Okay, but more specific.
It has a
square head.
A square head.
And there's a
That's called an antenna. Okay. All right. What about that one? Okay, square head. And 2 antennas. So I'm going to write these down for us. Let me see how you spell. Okay. And 1 antenna, square head. And 2, I'm going to put ant, and I'm going to put a dot, and that's my abbreviation for it, okay? All right, what about this one? What's different?
It's the same.
Is it?
No, the eyes look different.
Like, they're, what do you think about the eyes?
they're like a little bit longer.
Okay, so these are black eyes, but are these black eyes? So we can add black eyes to these. These eyes are like this.
There was 7 aliens.
Okay, so let's describe this one. We have a square head, right? Two antennas. And then I'm trying to figure out how I can describe the eyes. Forgot what they call.
I need to say.
Me?
Yes. No,
You need
Olivia.
one of them. Very
I'm
close.
just